How to download videos from Rumble. Now, in this method, I'm going to show you one of the ways for you to be able to download videos on Rumble. So first is open up the official site of rumble.com, like on this one. You can simply use any web browser available on your end, but on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now choose the video that you would like to be downloaded. So for example, this one, click the video for you to be able to have it played, play it. The next thing you want to do is to right click on the actual video and then go into inspect. Now you will have these developer options. Then all you have to do from here is to locate the SRC file. It will usually end up with .mp4. All you have to do is to double click that specific link, right click, copy it, and then paste it on another tab, and then it will automatically be downloaded on your browser. And that is how you download videos on Rumble.